Hello student, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. In this video I am going to discuss about the type of chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction? In which two substances react with each other and new substances are formed is called chemical reaction. New substances are formed are called product, and the substances which are react with each other are called reactant, and new substances formed are called product. And next is, what is the type of chemical reactions? There are different types of chemical reactions. Basically I will discuss in this video 4 type of chemical reactions. First one is combination reactions. Second one is decomposition reaction. Third is displacement reaction. Fourth is double displacement reaction. So first is combination reaction, in which two substances get together. If two friends, this is from another class, this is from another class, get together with each other and form a new substance is called combination. When two different kinds of substance combine with each other, from the name combination it means combine or get together. It is also called synthesis, like A plus B goes to AB. A substance react with B, then form AB. This is called synthesis reaction. And for example, Na react with sodium react with chlorine and it goes to NaCl. So these Na combine with Cl. This is called combination, when two substances combine with each other and form a new substance, that is called combination reaction. Next one is decomposition reaction. It means breakup. When in the combination different substances react to form a one substance, in which one substance break up into two and more substances, that is called decomposition reaction. Like when one substance break into two and more separate substances are called decomposition, like AB goes to A plus B, like H2O2 goes to H2O plus O2. This is the example. H2O2 goes to 2H2O O2. There is two atoms of H2O2 goes to 2 atoms of water molecules and oxygen. Next is displacement reaction, the cheater. One element replace the another element, like these are two, these are the best friend, another will come, then these become best friend and this is get knocked out from the compound. Like when AB react with B, X, when AB react with X, then A and X get combined and B is knocked out from the compound. It is based upon the reactivity series. I will discuss reactivity series in the previous video, you can see from them there. If you have not watched that kind of video, please watch before to going this displacement reaction. In this video I will discuss it is based upon the reactivity series. Then AB react with X, then A react with X, form a new compound and B is knocked out from the reaction. Like this, HCl react with zinc is more reactive than hydrogen, then it replace hydrogen and it forms zinc chloride and H2 is knocked out from this. These are two best friend, another one is coming, then these become the best friend and this is knocked out from the series. Next is displacement, double displacement reaction. It means swap. Swap means exchange. Swap means exchange when molecules or atoms exchange with each other. Like these are two friends, then these make this friend and this make this, like exchange. Two compounds switch ions with each other is called double displacement reaction. Like AB, when AB react with XY, then A change with the ion with X and B with Y, then there is a compound is formed like AX plus BY. It means swap, exchange with each other. A ने अपनी फ्रेंड X के साथ exchange कर ली and B exchange with Y, then this is the another pair of friends. I hope you understand this concept easily. Double displacement reaction like BaCl react with sodium Na2SO4, then Ba react with SO4 and sodium chloride, then this is the exchange of atoms. It is called double displacement reaction. I hope you understand the concept easily. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.